Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned vehicles of over 350 total units in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Today we have a used 2017 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie Edition EcoDiesel. What a cool truck, guys. I'll definitely go around this vehicle and kind of show you some features inside and out and why this diesel is so special. On the front of this vehicle, you will notice you have a chrome grille that does match the chrome bumper. Also on the bumper, you're going to see I believe it's six total circles. That's for your front collision detection system. So when you are parking this vehicle, it will notify you when you are getting too close to the vehicle in front of you, and with a beep, and it'll basically tell you that you need to stop. This vehicle has 20-inch chrome wheels. It looks like the tires, I would say, are at 85 to 90% tread depth, so very good tires. And once again, this vehicle just has over 10,000 miles on it. Factory Ram step-up boards that run across both doors. And what a cool option here. This actually has the RamBox system in the bed of this truck, which gives it plenty of usability for whatever it may be, whatever it is, whether you're working construction, maybe you're a soccer coach, baseball coach. Put your stuff in these compartments. There's one on each side, and they do lock. Like I said, this is a Laramie edition, so you're going to get the really nice color keyed bumpers along with the sensors on the rear, dual exhaust, and then you're also going to get your trailer tow hitch right here, along with your 4-pin and 7-pin adapter, standard from the factory. And like I did say, guys, you do have your box on both sides. It's on the passenger side now. With this EcoDiesel, you can get up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. For a 4-wheel drive crew cab truck, that is unheard of. And guys, it has plenty of torque, plenty of horsepower to be pulling whatever it is you maybe need to be pulling with this half-ton truck. On the inside, this vehicle has many options, including power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and power folding mirrors, as you can see there. So with one touch of a button, they will fold in and fold out. Automatic overhead headlighting, power seat, lumbar with memory set for up to 2. So you can have 2 different driving positions in this specific unit. This vehicle also does come equipped with power foot pedals. Great for the shorter people out there. When you get into this vehicle, you're going to notice on the steering wheel, there's 2 sections of different buttons on this. On the left-hand side, on the bottom, these bottom 4 buttons are going to operate the instrument cluster that's in between your RPMs and how fast you're going, your miles per hour gauge. Right now it's set on tire pressure, and as you can see by the red dot, one is a little low, so we will have to address that. Also, there's other things you can switch to while driving down the road. Miles per hour, if you would like that on your dash. It'll also show you what radio station you're on, also your average miles per gallon, distance, how far you've went on your trips, and a couple other great features when it comes to that system right there. Also, right above that, you're going to have your hands-free, so you can program your phone into this vehicle and you no longer have to reach for your phone when you're driving. You simply just hit the button and you have your conversation through your audio speakers. On the right-hand side, you're going to have all your push buttons for your cruise control, and on the back of the steering wheel, you're going to have your volume button for your radio on the right side, and on the left side behind the steering wheel, you're going to have your controls to change stations. This is a push button 4-wheel drive. It also has an auto feature, which is great. Push button start. This vehicle comes with an 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, AM, FM, and also XM radio. As of right now, even though it is used, the previous owner did not turn off their subscription, so technically you're free till they turn it off, which is a great feature for you. Has media capability. You can put media into this. Also has controls, so you have your heated seats on the front 2 seats, passenger and driver. There's a high and low feature. Also ventilated seats for your passenger and driver with a high and low feature, and also a heated steering wheel for your driver. Plenty of cool apps that are built into this. You can go through them. There's all kinds of little stuff you can do in here and move around stuff to make it customizable for you. This vehicle does have dual climate controls, so you can set it on his and hers. For example, you can have the driver on 72, maybe the passenger one a little warmer on 74. You can simply do that, and you can hit the auto button and you like, and it'll always keep the temperature in them zones at that correct temperature. So it'll increase the speed as need be and decrease it when it's to that correct temperature. This vehicle is also equipped with factory navigation, which is another great feature. Power sunroof, power rear sliding window, and it also does have access for 3 garage door opener that can be programmed into this specific unit, so you no longer have to carry your garage door openers around. As far as the back seat, there is plenty of room in here with definitely plenty of storage underneath. So for example, you can lift up your seats. This can lay flat all the way across, and you'll have plenty of inside storage if you need to keep something out of the elements. This particular unit also does have rear heated seats for the 2 side passengers in the rear, and also a 12-volt DC charger. And like I said, guys, this is a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie with all the bells and whistles, navigation, everything you could want. But the most impressive feature is that EcoDiesel, which can get you up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Power sunroof, everything. Tires are in great shape. Rims do look to be absolutely perfect, and just over 10,000 miles. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button. Also give us a like and throw a comment down below. By hitting that subscribe button, you will automatically know when we get all of our new arrivals into the store. And with 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we are always getting new arrivals. If you're on YouTube and want to look at this particular unit and all the still pictures and the current description that comes with it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERYCHRYSLER.com. And for the guaranteed best price, always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.